Nee, wat gebeur is, die anti-homos was baie lekker. Toe loop vry sy eers met so 'n arm man. En die naweek wat nou verby is, toe loop vry sy weer met daai ryk oom wat daar nie wat in hy groot huis bly. Toe is dit mos dat die arm oom ook mos kom intrek. By die ryk oom kom intrek het. Nou weet hulle nie, want hy sê mos hy wil sien wat 'n werk doen sy by die ou baas. Okay, what happened is the auntie keep mos for her nicings, mos ne? Like sturvy and so with it like a fig hair, ne? What so big is. So to walk freezy, first with it arm man, in the after week, what now forby is, she walk free, whether with that smell man, what in that large house stay. So now the arm uncle, he have to come in pull there by the smell uncle. That is the thing. Now they know not because he the arm uncle, he say he will see what the work do she here by the OBS. The dinges the oldie man, the old boss. You want to see what work she do she there.